So do you hate having the default Windows 11 taskbar because you found a better one to replace it and you just want to hide it like it never existed and bring it back with a click whenever you need it? Well, you're in the right place, my friend. So why the wait?
Okay, installing it is pretty simple. Just click the first link in the description and you should land on this GitHub repo. It's created by the same person who made YASP, so you're good. Now just click on the releases section here, scroll down and download this MSI file. Save it wherever you want, because it doesn't matter. After that, just open the file from wherever you just saved it. And don't worry, it's safe. Just install it like any normal app and you're good to go.
After it's installed, go back to the repo and scroll down a bit until you see the usage section. Here you can see how to use it. There's also a CLI mode available if you're into that. But don't worry, let me show you. Open your terminal and run this command. It starts the app, and as you can see, the taskbar is gone. Now to bring it back, just run this command and it's right back where it was. And to stop the app, just run this command and you're done. If you want it to start on system boot, just run this command and it'll auto start. And run this one to disable that as well. See how easy that was? Now if you want a UI instead of using commands, just search for the app name, open it, and boom, taskbar gone. And for extra controls, press Windows plus B. You'll see this little thing in the corner. Wait, let me do it again. Now press enter and you'll see your system tray. From here, just right-click it and you can control everything easily. And yeah, talking about system resource usage, it literally doesn't touch your CPU and only uses like 2 megabytes of RAM. So yeah, you can run this without even thinking.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of you were asking for this, so here it is. If you run into any issues, just drop a comment and I would try my best to help you out. Have fun and let's pray for the world to chill. Peace.